We will solve the equation in degrees using a fast visual plan and perfectly synced steps. Start with the problem statement. Step 1. Rewrite cotangent using the cofunction identity. Cot theta equals tan of 90 degrees minus theta. Apply it with theta equal to x minus 30 degrees. Then, the equation becomes tan of 2x equals tan of 120 degrees minus x. Step 2. Use tangent's periodicity. If tan A equals tan B, then A equals B plus k times 180 degrees for any integer k. So set 2x equal to 120 degrees minus x plus 180 degrees times k. Step 3. Solve for x. Move x terms to one side. 3x equals 120 degrees plus 180 degrees times k. Divide by 3 to isolate x. X equals 40 degrees plus 60 degrees times k. Step 4. State the general solution for all integers k. Step 5. Optional. If you want solutions in the principal range from 0 inclusive to 360 degrees exclusive, plug in k equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The angles are 40, 100, 160, 220, 280, and 340 degrees. These values avoid tangent undefined points automatically, so the set is valid. Final answer. X equals 40 degrees plus 60 degrees times k, where k is any integer.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.